The RILAND 205A Multiprocess Welding Machine is a versatile tool supporting 6 different welding processes, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned professionals. With dual voltage capability, this welder can operate on both 110-volt and 220-volt power sources, enhancing its adaptability for various environments. Its smart adaptive function automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, simplifying the welding process and making it more user-friendly. Incorporating advanced IGBT inverter technology, this machine ensures stable and efficient welding performance, which is crucial for achieving high-quality results. Safety is a top priority with built-in protections against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheating, along with a smart cooling system for prolonged use. RILAND offers exceptional customer support with professional pre-sales and after-sales service, ensuring users receive assistance whenever needed.